to grab some coffee because I didn't have my morning coffee. The coffee hub from outside. It's so similar to Coffee Club, the ones we have in New Zealand. I will show you once we get in. Menus.
Yes, they have.
The prices are here.
High beam projector lights, they flashing towards our eyes and you get blind while driving. So that's main issue. But by road, this road looks fine actually. No more like there's a potholes, but not big like the north side. How we drive, remember? We drove towards Raki and Ba place. So there was a lot of potholes on the road. So it was much riskier in the night.
Mirror on the wall, tell me who gon' rise and fall. I've been running from my flaws, still I'm standing 10 feet tall. Mirror, don't you lie. I can see it in my eyes. Truth gon' surface every time, even when no other dancing with my shadow in a room full of gold, tryna count on my regrets like the stories I told. Mama said, boy, don't sell your soul for applause, but the silence louder now than a million God. I seen kings fall quick for a hit on a rail. Seen queens trade crowns for a 6-figure deal. I don't blame them, I just pray for them. We all one mistake from the cage out of graveyard. Living like a movie, but the credits never roll. They gon' crop you out the frame if you ever lose control. Talk truth, they call it hate, but the fake love louder than an 8. Every scar got a sermon in it, every L got a learning in it. I ain't perfect, I just pin it how I lived it. If the game rigged, then I still pick.
So nice, I love it. So over here, people come here to take photos and make videos, pretty much. It's a really popular place to take Instagram photos, basically.
Even when no mirror on the wall, tell me who gon' rise and fall. I've been running from my flaws, still I'm standing 10 feet tall. Mirror, don't you lie. I can see it in my eyes. Truth gon' surface every time, even when they want captions, not scriptures. They want clout, not pictures. They want pain and a filter, so I bleed through the pics like scriptures. You can't cancel what's already broken. You can't mute what's been outspoken. I spit truth with a chip on my shoulder, got trauma in my tongue, and the world getting colder. Used to pray for a check, now I check on my spirit, cause the money don't echo when your soul ain't near. I see fake friends turn saints in the crisis, but they ghost real quick when the fame hit its highest. Still I ride for my day ones, still I ride when the pain comes.
तो दोस्तों घूम फिरने के बाद हम लोग निकल गए खाने के लिए. पेट बहुत ना गड़बड़ हो रहा था ऐसा कि बाबा हमको कुछ खाना है, तो हम लोग निकल गए पेट पूजा करने के लिए. बीच में हमको एक रेस्टोरेंट मिला जहाँ पे इट्स लाइक अ प्रॉपर लोकल फिजियन रेस्टोरेंट था. वहाँ पे वी हैड सम पाई, कॉफ़ी एंड सम हॉट डॉग्स फॉर द किड्स. सो खाना पीना हो गया आराम से. बच्चे तो खुश थे बिकॉज उनको भी भूख लगा था, तो हम लोग ने हेलो बिलो बोल के मस्त पी खाना खाया. देन इट वाज एक्सपेंसिव दो, बहुत एक्सपेंसिव था बिकॉज इट वाज इन टूरिस्ट प्लेस होने की वजह से खाना ऑन एन एवरेज एक्सपेंसिव था देन अदर सिटी एरिया. बट हम भी क्या कर सकते हैं, रुकना था और खाना था.
So hi guys, we are back at our resort. It was
Just now.
Unfortunately, we could not visit Suva because we ran out of time and it would have been really dark. And as you know, we can't drive at night basically here because of the high beam situation, as I mentioned in my earlier vlogs. So we are back to our villa, but on our way we visited this town called Sigatoka. It was a really nice town.
Sigatoka, yeah.
We spent a couple of like just driving around because it was raining, so we couldn't get out of the car, of course. But yeah,
It's a nice coastal areas, like there's a coastal village, so you can see other side there's a ocean and other side there is a trees and the villages going on. So it's nice
Yeah.
road trip, I will say.
the water was so clear. It was so beautiful to watch. The whole place was actually really beautiful. Highly recommend if you're visiting Fiji to not miss that spot.
Yeah.
I think the cyclone season over here starts November to April.
November to April.
Yeah, but even though we are still in April, it's not like cyclone, but the rain is coming now and then. Doing happy hours also, so we might get some few drinks, jump on the pool. Today is our last night. Tomorrow is the last day. Then we will fly out
To the Auckland.
I really don't want to leave this place. It's so beautiful, like the nature. You can see, like,
Calm.
it's so calm, scenic.
Stress-free.
How will I live that? But unfortunately, I have to hit the reality and go back to New Zealand, working in
Go back to work.
go back to work, back to our daily life, back to our, vacation mode. So yeah, I'm happy with all the memories. I hope you guys enjoyed till now watching us, and do share, like, subscribe. Yeah,
And see you in tomorrow's video.
see you in tomorrow's video, the last vlog.
Probably we're gonna do Nandi Temple, the famous temple.
Yeah, and maybe the Sleeping Giant Garden.
Garden, yeah.
I heard that's quite famous.
And we'll walk around the town center.
The Nandi
of
town, yeah.
So we'll see how it
And
goes.
the Nandi market. So we'll do a couple of attractions here. Hi.
Bye.